Hello my friends and welcome to the channel. Playing with water is wonderful, but as they say, it's impossible to play with water without getting wet. And now we have to close the holes we have opened. I have enjoyed a lot into the water and now I have to work a lot. And you will see in this video. Comment, like and subscribe. The thing is that I've made such a big hole, two of them, in order to let water entry and get out from the wheel. Inside I have a lot of mud and I want to clean it. So I add fresh water and pumping, you see. With these holes I can evacuate a large part of the mud. Then I will close them forever and ever, and I don't think that there will be a great difference. We will check, but this is the work that I have to do. With the old little holes, it takes 3 days to have the wheels not perfectly dried with all this mud inside. So I keep on going with this. Sorry for the quality of the video, but I ain't in my bathroom without lights. I do the work. Okay, obviously to clean them at all it's a very difficult job, but by this way I think that I'm quite satisfied. The water is not so muddy, quite clear, so this is done. The new one, let's see. Oh, have you seen? That was a big mistake not to close the holes before going to enjoy myself like a baby, like a boy, very young, stupid boy in the water. Fresh water. You can say, but when the mud is dried, there's just a powder inside. Yes, but you see how much. The best way to let go slow is to add weight in all the moving parts. Heavy wheels take away a lot of power. Then I leave them at the sun. And from these very big holes, the water will evaporate. I repeat, big mistake not to close the little hole before. check again, and we finish to work in order to waterproof better the car. Last work, the wheels. After 4 days drying at the sunshine in a warm place at home, squeezing them, opening larger holes, finally the wheels are dry. Now we have to clean this, and I use this material. This is a special waterproof tissue, adhesive tissue. It's very good, and they use for sailing, to repair or finish, make pieces of sails. You can detach and reattach again several times. It resists at water. You can, it's adhesive underwater with a wet surface. It's a very good product. You can find it by the sail makers. There are several colors, and there are two types. Be careful. There is one that is not waterproofed, and you need the waterproofed one. Several colors. If they are kind, they sell you. It's not very expensive. I used to repair a lot of things with this. Also, my wallet was broken, and since 4 or 5 years, this tissue is still at his place. So, we have to cut some patches, 2 for wheels, so 8 patches, wash, close, then the work is finished. We mount the wheels on the car. Now that you have all the patches, it's not necessary they are regular, have a nice shape. The thing is that they has to be larger, a lot larger than the hole. Then you peel out the support paper, and you can do this with this tissue. Is fantastic. You take in place, then press. Okay, you see. Here you are sure that water will never go in. Okay. And if you want, you can lift it up and take away. Doesn't make. This is closed, waterproofed. Let's do all the other. And Nanny, you have to return to the primary school because you are not able to count up to 8. And I will return very happily, as there were a very nice girl that I never catched, and it will be a good occasion to do what I've had to do. I'm not convinced about this, so I can lift a little bit. Okay, and replace it. by this way. Okay, this is better. And I have to do another one. Okay, all the wheels are closed, waterproofed. The work is done. My sealed wheels are on. And for today, this is all. Comment, like and subscribe, please. And if you see something new on my car, well, you will see better in my next video. Bye bye to everyone. Ciao!